been seeing these all over my TikTok, so I knew I needed to try them out. These air pump containers are perfect for your lotion, foundation, serum, and so much more. They are also great to store your beauty products in while traveling. Amazon travel must-have. This is a weekly pill organizer. Just open the giant pill and twist to add your medicine or vitamins, then close it back up, put it in the case, and pack it away. Perfect to carry while traveling. Need a fun way to cut your pizza, then you need this axe cutter. This is one way to ensure your pizza is always excellent. The cutter is also dishwasher safe.
This mini rack comes with mini hangers for earrings and can hold up to 16 pairs. This device suctions to your mirror so you can style and dry your hair with both hands. This wand clicks into a sponge that allows you to disinfect your toilet and toss the sponge away. This timer has 6 options to turn off your appliances after the desired time. And this magnetic holder picks up all of your bobby pins in just one sweep.
Large storage containers are designed to fit perfect underneath your bed and have wide double-sided openings for blankets, sheets, or your favorite personal items. They even have wheels on the bottom to make sliding under your furniture a breeze. And these organizing bins flip open from the front or pull out like a drawer for quick and easy access to your belongings. They're stackable and great for tidying any space in your home.
This ultra-light and portable folding table is waterproof to take with you anywhere this summer. It has a built-in cooler so food and drinks stay cold, a snack holder in the middle, and the table has 4 cup holders on each corner, and it collapses in the compact carrying bag when you're done.
Maximize space in your bathroom and keep your counter organized with this Q-tip box that comes in multiple colors.
This compact and lightweight sleeping mat has a built-in foot pump, allowing you to inflate it without electricity in less than 2 minutes, and it easily deflates when you open 2 air valves and roll it up. This 2-person sleeping bag comes with 2 pillows and can be split into 2 individual sleeping bags when needed. This expandable shelf is renter-friendly as it doesn't require you to drill any holes and is really easy to install. It can hold a ton of weight and can be used as a clothing or a drying rack. It's also perfect for hanging your brooms and mops.
The look of your ugly tin trash can with this stylish cabinet that has a hidden bin compartment. It comes with a built-in electric deodorizer and in many different wood colors to match your kitchen cabinet, and you can even use it for dirty laundry thanks to its removable hamper. Dispenser that has a built-in spray bottle to easily clean any surface and for convenient storage. It even comes in a mounted version and in 4 different colors to match your kitchen. Next are these 5-in-1 mixing bowls that have a strong non-slip base, a lid for grating, shredding, and slicing, and a rinsing colander that nests perfect into each bowl. Pet dining set has a hidden storage compartment to conveniently store your pet's kibble. It's dog and kid proof thanks to its lock latch, which also seals the food fresh. I love that it keeps everything in one place, its aesthetic white finish, and its ergonomic raised design.
If you have limited counter space in your bathroom, this silicone mat is the perfect solution. It rolls right over your sink to provide extra space for all of your products while you're getting ready, and it's even heat resistant. These wall-mounted dispensers are great if you're looking to declutter your shower. It has separate canisters for your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You can refill them from the top, and they're also removable from their base for deep cleaning. And lastly are these towel hooks that fit right over your shower door.
Trash bin attaches to the cabinet door and conveniently opens from both sides. It has an inner bin that's removable for easy cleaning. It also comes with an adhesive hook to attach it to any flat surface. And this non-stick pan comes with a removable handle that makes it easier to wash. The handle also has 2 lock positions and the lid requires no lid holder.
Drill hooks into your wall or tile, here's a cheat. These hooks look exactly like bathroom hardware, but they aren't. Just peel and stick and you have expensive looking hooks anywhere you'd like. No installation needed.
Shopping and running errands easy and fun with your own super lightweight shopping cart that you can configure 3 different ways. It fully expands out, comes with a reusable box for groceries and errands, is designed to go upstairs to easily put items away, and is super easy to store in your trunk. Thanksgiving or a party, you'll want the world's largest turntable built for dining room tables and kitchen counters. Each tray is heat resistant to act as a trivet and also non-slip so food stays in place. This gadget takes less than 2 minutes to put together, and you can expand it to add even more trays. Entertaining this season has never been easier.
If you don't like to touch the toilet seat lids, then grab this set of 2 lid lifters. Simply remove the stickers off the adhesive and place on whichever side you like. You can sanitize the lid tabs as needed.
Amazon favorite. This flexible bamboo tray sits over sofa arms to securely hold drinks and snacks, or make this a large tray that just rests nearby you on the sofa to hold a lot more items. Keep organized by placing items that easily get lost on this couch tray.
This steering wheel tray is only to be used while the car is parked. It's perfect for those that work from their vehicle or those longer car rides. There's 2 sides, one for your meal. It also has a spot for your tablet, and then the other side is perfect for things like your planner and your laptop. Lots of color options.
This 2-pack of oil and vinegar dispensers measures out the perfect amount of oil up to 1 tablespoon for mess-free pouring every single time. They also look beautiful displayed on a counter. And this collapsible silicone popcorn bowl makes up to 15 cups of popcorn in just 2 minutes. The popcorn is delicious, the process is completely mess-free, and the bowl is dishwasher safe. Link in bio to shop.
This coffee pot holder is completely customizable and can be attached to your kitchen cabinet. You simply use your coffee pot of choice to measure out the strips, and then you can add as many as you need. Next up is this weekly vitamin organizer. It has a magnetic top, which allows you to twist the container and dispense the vitamins into your hand.
This rotating dispenser has 6 compartments, and each you can fill up with about 2 pounds of small grain. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can easily rotate it to the grain that you need. I also like that you can dispense grains from the side.
Amazon favorites. This garment steamer can be hung in your closet for easy reach. It heats up in 30 seconds and is a steamer and iron all in one. The steamer also comes with a brush attachment and heat glove, which works so well for getting pet hair off of linen curtains and smoothing out the wrinkles. The steamer has a 35-minute run time. Once it's empty, just refill with water and press in. Steam iron clothes flat on the bed, and never worry about water spots on fabrics because this steamer is leak-proof. And the steamer has an auto shut-off after 5 minutes when not in use.
2-piece lazy tool set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. They are made of high-grade silicone and heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply rest the tool on the edge of the cookware so drips stay in the pan and off the counter.
Prevent the top of your paper towels from getting dried food and soggy with this acrylic paper towel topper. It fits all paper towel stands and simply wipes clean. And dim the brightness of electronics by 60% with these dimmer stickers. They easily peel off and don't leave a residue.
These Space Saver vacuum storage bags are a great way to store all of your winter comforters, blankets, and bedding. I use these storage bags with a clear window to store our blankets and our sheet sets. Check out the storage closet. I had cleaning my sinks on my spring cleaning to-do list. I like using this deep clean brush set to get all the little nooks and crannies around my kitchen sinks and faucets. I really like this polish wax on my faucet, so just grab a microfiber cloth and buff out. Spring cleaning is done for today. This 3-cup bamboo utensil organizer is a great way to display your flatware. These caddies ensure easy reach during events. The flatware cups can sit together on the tray or be taken alone to the table when needed.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze. This gadget automatically stirs food in your pan, self-rotates, and has 3 speed options. This utensil rest is perfect for pots and pans, doubles as a steam releaser, and also works on the counter. And this gadget makes shredding meat easy and mess-free.
Amazon shopping finds. This foldable cart has a lid and 360-degree wheels, allowing you to go up the stairs with ease. It's great for grocery shopping or transporting all kinds of stuff. And this grocery bag clip twists and locks all of your bags into place, making them easier to carry in your hand or over your shoulder.
Don't want to make holes in order to hang your curtains? This curtain rod expands to the exact size that you need, and then all you do is remove one of its ends and slip on the curtain. Lastly, you bring it into the window and secure it in place. It's incredibly sturdy, and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors.